Hi, welcome to Mathematics 3 with Teacher Cesar. Today we'll talk about comparing dissimilar fractions. When do we say that fractions are dissimilar? Fractions are dissimilar if they have different denominators, just like this. 3/4 and 1/6. The denominators are 4 and 6. They are not the same. They are different. Okay, to compare fractions, we use the symbols of relation such as this one read as is greater than, and then this one read as is less than, and this one read as is equal to or equals. Okay, here, how do you compare dissimilar fractions? For fractions with the same numerators, look at the denominators. The fraction with the smaller denominator is the larger fraction. Example, 5/6 and 5/7. Remember, they have the same numerators, 5 and then 5. Look at the denominators, 6 and then 7. The fraction with the smaller denominator is the larger fraction. So, therefore, 5/6 is greater than 5/7. Okay, here's another example. For fractions with the same denominators, look at the numerators. The larger fraction is the one with the greater numerator. So here, they have the same denominator, which is 7. And then we look at the numerators, 6 and 8. The larger fraction is the one with the greater numerator. So this one is greater than 6. So the answer is 6/7 is less than 8/7. This one, for fractions with unlike denominators, cross multiplication may be used. Wow! So let's have this example. Let's cross multiply. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And then, what's next? We have then 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Okay. Then what's next? 12 and then 10, which is bigger. There you go. So 12 is greater than 10. Another example, let's cross multiply because the fractions with unlike denominators, we have to cross multiply. Okay, let's start with this one. 5 times 3, that's 15. And then we have 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Now, let's compare the answer. 15 and 8. So, what's the answer? 15 is greater than 8. Here's another example. Okay, so first we have to multiply 3 times 1, that is 3. And then we have 2 times 2, that's 4. So the answers are 3 and 4. Now, we compare the dissimilar fractions. So 3 is less than 4. Correct. Now, let's compare dissimilar fractions. So, 3/4 and 1/5. What's the answer? How do you compare the dissimilar fractions? So again, for fractions with unlike denominators, cross multiplication may be used. Okay, here 5 times 3, that's 15. And then 4 times 1, that is 4. So here, 15 and 4. Therefore, 15 is greater than 4. Thank you for listening and participating.